Thanks for subscribing to our light version software of Printexion. We wanted to demo some of the major features of our extended version and go over many of the different aspects that we've been able to design over the last 10 years. Your page is going to open up to a color-coded calendar where you're able to enter in the order, take a look at it. You're able to look at a new order, an order on hold, or put the order on hold for a product or art. Look at the orders in process. The order is complete and you need to ship it. And black means if the order has been put on hold. Once we go from there, you're able to search new orders or any order by name or order number. If we go back, take a look at the 520065. You're able to pull up orders based on order number or whether or not you type in the name. Just like in our light version, you're able to create new orders, adding in products, screen print, embroidery, due dates, everything that was available to you in the light version. We also have the ability to add in a quote tool as well once you enter in your information. We've also entered in electronic data integration with one of our vendors, Alpha, where you can come in and without having to contact your vendor, you can enter in orders directly based on price. Once you create your order, the order is sent to Alpha automatically. We have a contact list. You've seen our calendar where you can view and begin to dictate the process of your orders. When your salespeople come in, you're able to add salesmen to the order, and they also go into our due date pending where they're able to go from there. Our quote tool is also available here, where you're able to quote out jobs. Your quotes are also going to be able to be listed. And up here we have a number of different sections where you're able to, one, begin to use our cloud format. And this is where our software really can pay dividends to screen printers and brokers of the like, or salespeople. You're able to add numerous printers to your repertoire of contacts, so that if you are a broker, you're able to send a number of different printers to different people. You're able to assign jobs to certain presses if you have more than one press in your contract printing operation. And then you're also able to, for your quote features, able to enter in pricing based on your quantities, light and dark, so that your customized product price sheet can be added in as well. And then of course you're able to add in and edit your appropriate printers as you see fit. You can add as many salesmen as you need, so that if you have salesmen in the field, they'll get their own login. You'll be able to add them in. We'll show you a demo of that. You can also have graphic designers in the cloud. If you have a graphic designer in or outside of your house, you have the ability to add artwork tickets so that you can manage them much more efficiently by ID name. You can add instructions, directions, and also the ability to assign them to a number of different designers, or to keep them in-house as well. So the ability of the cloud is to enable us to be able to have a number of different departments inside your operation all working off the same system. We also have, if you're a contract printer, a place for brokers where your brokers can come in, add a number of different brokers, and they can also have their own logins as well. Now once you log out, Each area of your business will have a specific login, whether it be the light version that you're using, your brokers, your designers, your printers, your salespeople, or if you actually have people in-house working off of one or different presses. Now this can be utilized with an iPad. Once you log in, you'll be able to see information based off of your order, and you can also begin to time your vendors as to how long they're taking, or your printers for that matter, how long they're taking to print a job. Your work order comes out, so the people at your press can use an iPad, or you can mount an iPad as well, and they can see and time the efficiency that they're working off of as well. As you can see, if we're working as a broker, your brokers will have a number of features as well. So their system will be tied to your printing section, so that as you manage the job in-house, they'll receive color-coded updates based on where the job is at in your process. They're able to view the order, they're able to place quick reorders, they're able to view the items immediately. You can print packing slips. There's a number of different features that are added into our system. Now signing back into our admin and going into our search feature, managing the jobs can become quite easy. You can create multiple work orders, you can create multiple POs, you can create multiple packing slips, or you can create multiple invoices. Very simple. As you can see here, you can print out invoices quickly. So although this is a brief overview of our extended version, there's many more features that you're able to use. You're able to update with your customers by approving art, and you can also send emails based on product status, job status pending. Let them know the job is complete. This will also send an email to your customer. This bottom line here connects with the printers, so the printers are keeping in touch with you if you're a broker, so that you will get updates as to when the job is complete or received. As you can see here, one of our jobs, the work order has been printed, the artwork has been approved, the product has been received, and the job has been confirmed and is going out for print. And our features up here is where you're able to select the designer that you want, the printer that you want,